watching the first ever cooking show by Seth Johnson. Today we are going to make Rice Krispie squares. You will need butter, marshmallows, Rice Krispies, vanilla. You will also need a spatula in a 9x13 cooking pan, but don't do it without your mom's or dad's help. What you need to do to make Rice Krispie squares: wash your hands with soap and water. After, step 2, you need to grease the pan. Or if you have spray, you can spray the pan. Step 3, melt the butter in a pan on no heat. Ask Mom or Dad for help. You stir the butter in the pan until all the butter is melted. You can stir it my way or you can stir it the old-fashioned way.
Which is what?
Stir it like this. Stir it by the behind. Or you can just chop on the spatula and then you can just move it around. What? Add vanilla. Then you put step 5, add marshmallows in. That's really good. Step 6, stir it. Stir in the Rice Krispies. Until they all get hard, I'm guessing. Until the marshmallow coat covers every Rice Krispie. And for those who don't know what coat means, you know, like a dog, but coat.
You're making Rice Krispies like a dog?
No, I'm saying if you don't know what a coat is, like that. Mama, do it. Is that enough stirrings? Step 8. Put mixture in baking pan.
Okay.
Press flatly using spatula.
What's the last step?
Step 10. Share with your friends and family. That is the end of my cooking show. See you all next time.